What's the meaning of class war? Class war. Class war.
Class war. Class war. The term class war refers to the social, economic, and political conflict between different classes of people with distinct levels of wealth, status, and power. This typically involves the working class, who are often at odds with the owning or ruling class, as they may feel exploited or oppressed by those with more wealth and control. The result of a class war can vary greatly, but it often encompasses protests, strikes, and other forms of resistance in an effort to achieve greater equality and fairness in society. In extreme cases, it can lead to violence and revolution.